Welcome to English Grammar Chapter 20, the past tense. Tenses means time, and the time can be categorized as past, present and future. Past, for example, 3 years ago, yesterday, last week, last summer. That means the things which has already over, already happened, already occurred comes under the category of past tense. Present, right now what is going on, and future, what will occur in future. The simple past is used to talk about actions that happened in the past. The verbs in our sentences change when we talk about what has already happened. I walked to school, I walked to school. Walk, walked. I jump on my bed, I jumped on my bed. So jump will become jumped. Can you see how we have changed these verbs? We use the past tense to talk of an action that was completed in the past. I played tennis yesterday. That is simple past. I was playing tennis yesterday. That is past continuous. I had played a game of tennis before I went out. That is past perfect. When it started in 2008, I had already been playing tennis for 2 years. That is past perfect continuous. So that means we have four past tense forms. That is simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. We have four tenses under simple past. So let's learn them in detail. Let's begin with simple past tense. The statement can be written as subject plus past tense form of the verb. Negative, when we write not or never, that sentence becomes negative. Subject plus did plus not plus base form of the verb is negative sentence for simple past tense. Remember that did is used in simple past tense, negative sentence. Formation of the simple past. Regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs when we write ed after the verb. Play, played, install, installed, work, worked and so on. Irregular, do, did, be, was or were. Depending on the subject, when you have singular subject you write was, when you have plural subject you write were. Have, had, go, went, say, said, buy, bought, come, came. Use of the simple past. Actions completed in the past. Columbus sailed to America in 1498. It is already over, sailed. So that is the past tense here. Actions that happened over a period of time in the past. John worked in Barcelona for 2 years. This is a period of time, duration. Habitual, जो आदतें हैं हमारी, repeated actions in the past. When I was a child, we always went to the cinema at the weekend. Here, the verb, past tense form of verb is went. Past continuous tense. Continuous means ing. The things which are going on. The action that is going on. So, the statement can be written as subject plus was or were plus ing form of the verb. Was is for singular subject, were is used for plural subject. Negative sentence, subject plus was or were plus not plus ing form of the verb. An interrogative, that is question sentence, can be written as was or were plus subject plus ing form of the verb. Uses of past continuous tense. To show an action that was going on at some time in the past. We were watching TV all afternoon. When an action is in progress. When I saw him, he was buying vegetables. For habits of past. The old man was always grumbling. These are the ways in which the past continuous tense can be used. Use the simple past or past continuous tense of the verbs in the brackets to complete the sentences below. Till 6 o'clock in the evening, we were doing our homework. We saw this movie last Saturday. Sunil was preparing to leave when I entered the room. By the time we arrived home, it had become dark. They lived in London for a long time. When I was young, I played hide and seek quite long. Mohit was searching for his wallet when his son brought it to him. Reena slipped on a banana peel while she was walking on the road. Now let's do past perfect tense. And the statement can be written as subject plus had plus past participle form of the verb. Negative sentence, subject plus had plus not plus past participle form of the verb. Interrogative, that is question sentence, can be written as had plus subject plus past participle form of the verb. Filling the blanks with the correct tense form, simple past or past perfect. Mohit had gone to work when I called in the morning. The principal had accepted the new proposal before the students met him. We lined up to buy tickets for the show. My mother advised them not to go out in the rain, but they refused to listen to her. When he wanted to buy some books, he realized that he had forgotten to bring his wallet. Last week, I ran into an old friend of mine. We had not seen each other for so long that we nearly did not recognize each other. Before moving to Kannauj, I had never even heard of the place. We had heard a lot about the new film, but we never expected it to be so good. Past perfect continuous tense. The statement can be written as subject plus had plus been plus ing form of the verb. So the negative sentence, that is not, can be added subject plus had plus not plus been plus ing form of the verb. Filling the blanks with the correct tense form, past perfect or past perfect continuous. It was midnight and I was dead tired because I had been working since morning. Here past perfect or past perfect continuous tense you have to use. The temperature had fallen below freezing point before they even started climbing. The baby had been crying for an hour and we were all at our wits' end. The broken lock indicated that someone had tried to break in. By the time I reached there, the movie had already started. Nina had been mopping all morning before her friends cheered her up. Simple past or past perfect. If a definite past time is given, we use a simple past tense. That means when it is definite, you use simple past tense. The present perfect can, however, be used when we talk of a period of time, that is duration of time that is still going on. Filling the blanks with the correct tense form, present perfect or simple past. Have you been to the new jewelry showroom? Yes, I went there last week. Since I began acting, I have performed in 3 plays and a TV drama. However, I have not yet acted in a movie. My boss praised me yesterday. Since computers were first introduced, technology has changed a great deal. We bought a new computer with the latest technology last week. Rahul has just become a pharmacist. Mohan saw the play last Sunday. I witnessed a terrible tragedy yesterday. So that's the end of today's session. You'll be writing exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4 in textbook. Thank you and may God bless you. Complete your notebook.